When I met Supriya more than 5 years ago, I was brought face to face with the questions of power and privilege. But Supriya's story is not that of disempowerment. It's a story of hope.
I believe I can search for my own boundless passion. I believe I can strive to be an independent learner. I believe I can make my life processes my education that includes my joy and self-esteem, my motives and decisions, and my own inventions, my own creations.
Supriya is a spoken word poet at Slam Out Loud and has performed to audiences of more than 15,000 cumulatively. She has hosted paid workshops on performance poetry, speaks her truth to power, and uses creative expression not just on the stage, but also to negotiate for change in her life at home and at school.
5 years ago, our nation was ranked 99th in the Global Creativity Index. In a nation of such rich history of art and culture, of movements which artists have led with their voices at the forefront, our art teacher to student ratio in government schools is 1:1400, where most of our disadvantaged children go. This means less than 20 hours of art-based education for children who need to tell their stories, who need to express their voices, probably more than anyone else. And that is why we exist. Slam Out Loud is a for-mission non-profit that uses art forms like storytelling, theatre, visual art, and spoken word poetry to build in children the skills of creative confidence.
For low-income children, most of the times our dreams are restricted to the security of employment or at best academic success. But even in our country, where everything is divided into the buckets of the haves and the have-nots, something as fundamental as being able to find your voice should not be limited to a privileged class. And this is where arts and the power that it brings comes in.
Slam Out Loud places professional artists who follow a relay model to work with children in classrooms for a 5-year period. Through our learning and lived experiences of the fellowship, we create scalable and contextualized learning products and assets that bring art and artistic opportunities to children we cannot physically reach. These assets, like videos, lesson plans and guidelines, democratize the access to art-based learning by enabling communities, teachers and students themselves to take charge.
क्या अमीर क्या गरीब, आखिर में सब इंसान हैं, सबकी यही पहचान है.
In 2020, with some 1.5 billion students kept out of the classroom globally by the pandemic, we have rapidly adapted our interventions to prioritize children's well-being, leveraging the power of art and low-tech platforms. Our COVID response project, Arts for All, develops and disseminates high-quality arts-based experiences aimed at providing mental well-being and socio-emotional learning support to the most vulnerable children. And at scale, all remote learning resources are free of cost, interactive and multilingual, made available through various low-tech distribution channels like WhatsApp, IVRS and radio, currently reaching more than 4.7 million children across 23 Indian states and 19 countries globally.
Today I've brought for you a very fun storytelling activity from Slam Out Loud.
Words can inspire us to think, to question, and to be the change.
Our children, no matter where they come from, can and will be Nobel laureates, spectacular artists, and leaders that this world needs. We need to believe and advocate in arts as their right to make their voices heard, and in the process, change the world. Thank you.
Slam out loud.